Coldtrace game. So here is the app. It's going viral, and it's a new niche of apps where basically you need to uncover detective story, but the truth is buried like kind of in simulated phone. So you kind of getting access to the phone, and then you just have different apps, and then you need to go through these apps and find some clue. So that's the idea, and it's super addictive. So because you all the time, all the day, what you're doing, you're just sneaking through the useful apps on your phone, and this is very similar. So this is what you can see when you're doing this. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And there is another app called Stocky, and this is a new one called Coldtrace. So your investigation, your pace, field attention, immersive fictional experience. So let me just show you. So the whole idea is that it looks like the phone. So for example, here are some cases which you can select, different cases. You can also invite friends. So here is, you can also claim 1 month free. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. Thank you for using my invite code. Now I have 1 month free, and then still you can use my code. I don't know if I can refer more people, but here is, feel free to use it. So that's kind of the idea. So for example, I have one case, and then this is kind of how it looks like. You just kind of see like a WhatsApp messages. So then you can just see like so then you just see this. This is just, I'm showing you the gameplay, guys. I think this is just the introduction, and then here is you just open in the phone kind of, and then you kind of have their phone, swipe between apps, hidden files matter, nothing is there by accident, answer when asked. And then you just see, like, this is the idea of the app, why it's kind of super addictive, because you kind of have apps which look super similar to real phone, and you just browse through it and you need to find clues. So this is the idea. Quite nice. And then you see all of these questions. So that's what you have. So for example, you have open her messages, look at the last message Noor herself sent, not the one that came in afterwards. What did she write to? Who did she write to last? So you go to messages app, and then you just kind of do the investigation. So So I don't know, you need to do some work, and that's where this kind of game becomes really fun. So just as an example, whatever, I don't know, I need to, like, you submitting this, then you just see the hint. Okay, these are calls. So I don't know, like, you need to kind of. You see hints are available in here. Okay, so that was correct. Uh, and then you need to find. Okay, she searched for something. I don't know. Maybe you can find it uh, in the Safari, so wherever. So that's kind of the idea of this game. As you can see, I don't have all of the answers, so that's kind of what it is. And there you have it. So that's the idea of the game.